Once the belt has been removed, this entire part here is actually free, so you can just move it to the front a little bit on both sides so that it has room to come out. Okay, it's actually hitting against the bar, so forgot to move the bar up. Let's go ahead and move the bar up again to the very top so it will not catch the hook. Now we should be able to pull this out this way. This is the hook that I was talking about earlier, and the U-shaped bar kind of just hangs underneath that. Okay, all right, so this is the entire bottom part, and you may want to take a picture of the belt configuration. There is a picture here that shows you how it is done. Unfortunately, it is hard to follow because it's upside down. I don't know why this picture here is actually upside down, where this is the engine and that's the engine. So it's almost like it will be better for this to be turned around. I don't know why it's that way. All right, I'm gonna get to work. First I'm going to be, so the part that we're replacing, sorry, is this, and this, and the bottom part of the blade, of course. Alright, so first thing we're going to do to make this less complicated is to remove this side plastic part. So just take this spring catcher here, move it to the side, and take out this cotter pin. Okay, and once you do that, you would want to get this part right here out of the way. So it was hooked in here like that. Just swing it over and pull it out. And I usually want to put the cotter pin, go ahead and put it together because I tend to lose it. And then you can take this apart, just put it aside. All right, next we are going to get the belt off. Like I said, you may want to take a picture of the belt configuration first before you take it out. Makes it a lot easier. This part right here is tensioned by this spring, so you may want to get that moved over before you remove the belt, and just put that aside. Of course, this will be a good time if your belt is in bad shape. You may want to replace it right now. All right, so next thing you want to do is pull this more here, because we are gonna try to stand it up on this side, and it would help a lot to be able to have something here to be able to brace this as you're standing it up. All right, so what we're gonna do here is take off each one of the blade, and I have a piece of 2x4 right here to hold it as the fastening turns counterclockwise. It's gonna hit this, and this is gonna stop it. If you're using an impact wrench like I am, it's much easier, and all you need is the 2x4 to stop the blade. If you're using a regular wrench, you may need to put a clamp right here to stop the blade, because it's gonna be harder. All right, and before you do that, what you want to also notice is that the blade is always having the part that that lifts up. Like here, it lifts up, just like the new one right there has the tooth. This part right here that lifts up, the part that lifts up is always facing up. That's how you know which direction the blade is supposed to be installed. Alright, so we're gonna take this off. Sorry, this is not the right one. Okay, next we are going to remove the spindle, and the bolt for the spindle is on the top portion, so we're going to bring all of this down. And we're going to be removing these bolts right here. Okay, there is 4 of them each. Damn, all of them broke. Oh, I forgot. Before we took that off, we should have taken out the this bolt first. Otherwise, this thing's gonna keep spinning. All right, so for the next 2, I think we better take this bolt out first. All right, so we're gonna try to take this off. I have my gloves on, and see if I can hold this while taking this off. Okay, it works. There we go. Alright, hopefully it works for this one too. For this one, actually, I'm just gonna step on it, see if that works. Yep. Nope, not really. I guess that's not gonna work. All right, next one. Let's see if I can get this one done. Okay, it's 2 out of 3. All right, for this next one, I decided to reattach the blade and put the 2x4 to hold it. And I'm going from this side, and I'm going to try to hold this one also, and then see if I can get the bolt off. All right, here we go. Be careful, because the blade might actually fly out. Okay, actually it's just spinning right now. All right, so what I have to do is probably get the blade off, but get a wrench over there. That'll probably work better. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.